What's up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video, and thanks for tuning to the channel. Today I'm going to give you my full review on the Essential PH-1. So right now on Amazon it's $43.99. That is just a crazy price for this phone. So really I want to ask the question, is this the budget phone to beat? Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the number one awesome thing about the Essential phone is the premium build. It's made out of ceramic and titanium, it's got minimal bezels, super premium feeling, it's got a very confidence inspiring weight. It's a nice phone, it feels good. The weight feels good anyways, but the thing is, the body is kind of boxy. So what happens is that when I hold it for a long period of time, or I'm trying to like type with it or something, it's just that the edges you kind of feel the edges in your hand, and it doesn't feel that good for me. You know, after a while of using it, if you have like a case on it, it's not so bad. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But super premium, the notch is minimal and uninvasive. You know what, I applaud Essential on the design because the notch is it's really minimal and the screen is really good. So since there's like no bezels, it's just like you hold this device and it's just like you got all screen. Very cool design. Definitely loving it. That's like really cool. And I think it has like a mix of screen real estate and one-hand usability. So it's definitely a good mix. Pretty easy to use with one hand. All right guys, so Essential has really been upgrading the camera app a lot, and they've been making a lot of improvements. So with my testing, the cameras are actually pretty decent. You know, I'm not gonna lie about that. The front camera takes decent selfies and it shoots 4K video. I don't think there is another phone out there that shoots 4K video. I think, you know, the S8 and the Note 8, they shoot at a 2K resolution for the front-facing camera. That's pretty good, but no other phone that I know of, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, please leave me a comment down below, you know, if I'm wrong, but I don't think there's another phone that does 4K front-facing cameras, so that might be really good for vlogging or something. That's a very cool feature. So the cool thing is there's those like two little prongs on the back, and you can throw on like a 3D camera. I don't have it personally, but so I've seen people use it like Android Stud and Mr. Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. Very cool feature to have. Just throw on your 3D camera. So if that's something you're into. All right, so the dual camera setup on the Essential phone it's pretty good. I mean, I don't really see a lot of benefit in having a monochrome sensor just to shoot monochrome pictures. You can just edit your pictures in post and give it that black and white look. However, the portrait mode on the Essential is pretty decent. I'm not gonna tell a lie, it's pretty good. I did a video on the Essential versus the iPhone 10 in a little portrait mode shootout. Very cool. If you guys wanna see that video, I'll put a link in the description below. Please check it out. You'll be surprised with the results, definitely. So the cool thing about the Essential portrait mode is that it renders really good bokeh. The colors are pretty good. Okay, so really the only thing with the Essential phone was that I was having some trouble autofocusing on the face with the portrait mode. I definitely had to try to keep focus on the face. There are some occasions where I definitely missed a shot. Hopefully that can be fixed in another update later on, but that's one of my gripes with the portrait mode. Low light performance on the Essential, it's okay, it's not the best, definitely could be better. So the thing with the Essential camera app is that it's a little bit clunky. What really sucks is that you can't turn on the camera grids. There's no grid, so it's not that I can't frame up a picture without the grids, but it's like really convenient for me to have. I like using the rule of thirds and taking all my pictures, helps me with composition and stuff. The slow motion capability of the Essential phone kind of stinks, so you're limited to 720p, so you know, when you upscale it to 1080p, kind of doesn't look that good. So I definitely think that the camera app could use a little more features and be like a little more easy and be just a little more user-friendly. Anyway, so let's get on to the screen. The screen on the Essential phone is pretty good. I don't have any trouble watching content outside. It gets very bright, colors are nice and vibrant. It's a good screen, minimal bezels, and you know what, the size is, it's big enough for me, so I don't have any trouble like watching stuff on YouTube, and I don't have any trouble consuming any media content. It's a good size, definitely liking the screen. So the thing about the battery is that with medium to light usage, you can get through the day. You know, if I wasn't careful, if I was like streaming music during the day or something, then by the time I got home from work, I would have like 20% or something, and I definitely want to plug in and top up. But other than that, the battery is decent. It definitely works a lot better on Android Oreo. Go ahead and check out the Android Oreo beta for the Essential phone. It's pretty good. So is this the mid-range phone to beat? I would say with the premium build, competitive portrait mode, and excellent performance on Android Oreo, it definitely makes it a compelling argument. Alright guys, so that's it for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. My name is Reju and I'm signing out. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.